the space where steel meets heartbeat, the line between machine and legend is drawn. Every rev marks the seconds of our lives. Every downshift forges a new story in asphalt. We celebrate victory, yet honor the crash, because courage wears both scars and trophies. From garage-built sleepers to seven-figure hypercars, horsepower finds its home, and torque finds its voice. Feel the carbon weave, the forged pistons, the scream of V12 thunder. Stories too fierce for silence. Beyond the red line lies the future, owned by the bold who chase it. At RedlineRush, we bottle that future, frame by frame, and unleash it for you.